How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, it's day 22 of my 30-day photography and video vlog challenge. So guys, listen, it's Friday evening. I've had a busy day today. One of us doing a bit of editing on, I done a video there with Lynn and Hans, down with their cacti and succulents. Took me longer than I thought, and as I say, most of the day went away from me, so I didn't get a chance to get out and take some photographs as such, so I'm heading down here, down to Sheena's in this video. Now I did meet a fella, and you're going to see a clip of him taking photographs down at the Waterfront Hall, and we talked briefly about composite photography. Now I'd heard of it, but I have no idea what it is as such, although I heard of it, but I hadn't got a clue, and the lad was filling me in. So you'll watch a wee clip of the video where he's in it, and hopefully you'll get in contact with me, and who knows, maybe he can teach me how to do it, because it sounds very, very interesting. So no photography on this video, just getting ready for the weekend. Just coming into Belfast here, coming up to City Hall. It's been an amazing week, guys. Can I thank you all so much once again for all your lovely comments and support on the channel. And we're coming into the last week, and I'm saying going to have something very special for day 30. But if you happen to want any particular things covered in this last week, you know, if I can do it, you know, I'll do it. But so let me know what's your thoughts. What would you like to see me talk about, photograph? Challenge me, guys, and we'll see if we can do it. So please leave it in the comments below. Here's Belfast City Hall. Isn't it beautiful? It looks even beautiful in the tailback. So guys, listen, here's that wee clip anyway with that lad, as I say, that I'm looking forward to learning about composite photography. If any of you know how to do it, or if you have any examples of it in your portfolio, let me know. I'd love to see them. I'm sure other people looking at your comment would also love to see it too. So guys, have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and once again, thanks again for all your love and support, and I will catch you later.
Okay guys, so what I've done is just actually on the way to Sheena's there. It's evening time, it's probably about 5:30. And I came across down at the waterfront here in Belfast, and obviously I've seen this site here and it's beautiful. And I want to share it with you for two reasons. One, obviously to share its beauty, but also, I don't know if you do this or not, maybe consider doing it if you don't. What I do a lot of times when I'm out and about, I may not have the camera gear with me, I may not have the time to take a good photograph, but if I happen to see something like this, I would take a couple of shots with the phone so that I can remember what it's like, have a wee look at it when I get home, and just see if there's a potential photograph in it. Start looking around, photographer over there. Let's see what he's at there now. So we'll just see he's got a nice shot there. So basically, take a couple of photographs or a video clip, and then that way you can always come back and have a look at it. But it's a lovely, imagine what it'd be like, a nice slow shutter speed. Get a bit of movement on the water there. The car lights going across the bridge. The bus you can just see now coming from the left, right about the middle of the bridge now. I'm not too sure if the camera's picking it up. But basically you could work wonders. So I will come back and look at that. Now, if for talk's sake you had a nice slow shutter speed, and that plane was going overhead over at the bridge, or sorry, is it a helicopter possibly? It would have created a nice effect. It's a wee plane there, so it would have also created a light trail going across. So it's just something to have a look and see. So we're going to see what this guy's at here. See, so he's taking photographs. I wonder what he's using. I can see he's got a nice grey lens. It's a nice lens he's got there. He's looking over there, he's definitely looking at the reflection. So we go.